Hi, I'm Dave Sidden, Executive Director at Wildlife Images. I'm here today with Corey, Alvis Allen, and Coco in the clinic. We're working with our baby skunks. This year is, of course, this is the time of the year where we get inundated with babies. And each one of the babies that come in here get particular care. They get records that are kept meticulously every day. And things like our baby skunks, we have small stripes on their head or a color painted on their head with the little felt pen to tell which one they are. And these guys are probably only about 2.5, 3 weeks old right now. Most of them have come into us because of orphans. Their mothers were hit on the road or they've had some sort of an accident. But skunks can be vectors for diseases like rabies. So we ask people, if you do see a skunk out in the wild, you think it's an orphan, confirm that before you gather the little guy up. Make sure you know that they can't get back to their mother or there's a real problem with them before they're gathered up. And then with these guys, of course, we use gloves and sterile techniques when we handle them so that there's no chance of zoonotic or animal to human transmission of disease. And for the first 10 days they're in our care, they're in strict quarantine, and the only people that will handle these skunks are people that have had rabies vaccinations, because they can be a vector for rabies, so we have to be very, very careful. So if you see these guys in the wild, don't pick them up and think they're pets. They are not pets. It's illegal to grab them and keep them as pets, and again, there is a chance of transmitting diseases back to us humans. So here at Wildlife Images, we have 20 baby skunks right now we're raising. Of course, these guys don't have health care. We absorb all the expenses and all the time and everything necessary to nurse them back to health, get them on a solid diet, get them disassociated with humans so they don't think we're friendly, and put them out in the wild. That's our goal here, to return all these animals back to the wild. If you'd like more information about Wildlife Images, how you can become a member or a donor, or maybe even a volunteer, you can log on to the Wildlife Images website at wildlifeimages.org, or give us a call here. We'd look forward to having you out here on a tour as well. We'll look forward to seeing you next time on another episode of Walking the Wild Side. Right, Coco?
Yes.